Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Udemy credit balance to your bank account. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to buy the premium package and purchase some of paid courses. So here you can see there are many paid courses here. So simply when you buy a premium package and you get the paid courses, after that you will be able to do this process. So simply how you can do it, you have to select on this icon, and after that here you can see the purchase history. So just you have to click here. So when you click here, and here in the subscription and refunds, just you have to click on courses. So here the option will be available to transfer credit to bank account. So in order to do this you have to go to purchase history. So in my case I don't have premium package, so when you have premium package, so this option will be available here. So in this way you can transfer credit balance to bank account on